And I'm saying this out of experience. I was Cabinet Minister for Interior and Coordination of National Government for 5 years. And I understand the security sector of this country very well. For the first time, let me say this openly. Your Excellency, Mr. President, you have once again misread the mood of the country. I don't know whether you have been misadvised or misread, but you have misread the mood of the country. Because you see, wale wengine tumefanya kazi nao kwa security wanajua. Ukiwa katika hiyo ofisi, kuna kitu ya muhimu inaitwa sentiment analysis, data from the ground and everything else. Mimi sijui kwamba whether they don't know or they don't care. Because that is there are two things. It's either they don't know or they don't care. Because you are having a security meeting, ukae uangalie nchi vile. I would tell them, you would summarize that advice in one word: resounding disapproval. Kisumu, you would actually position thugs to wait for members of parliament. The question I would like to ask them is this: what do they think is left of this country? You position thugs. Na police wanajua, because if I was in Interior now, the regional police commander in Kisumu cannot tell me that hakujua wale wakora ni akina nani walikuwa huko. Wale watu wamepiga magari ya wajumbe mawe kwa roundabout hapo Kisumu wakavunja vioo. I mean, the regional security team cannot say kwamba hawajui ni akina nani walikuwa huko. Tangu kanisa Mwiki ipigwe, ukuje pande hii nyingine kanisa imepigwa, tumeenda Uitima kanisa imepigwa. Honestly speaking, you cannot say with the resources we have and the capacity we have as a country that you don't know what is going on. I repeat this again. Mr. President, you have once again misread the mood of the country. Because in 2024, when Gen Z were having demonstrations, again the government misread the mood of the country. We woke up one morning in a country that has been peaceful, citizens of the country who are armed with nothing overran parliament. And these citizens raised specific issues. Since that time, nobody, even this government, has been coherent enough in saying this is what Gen Z were raising and these are the solutions we are provided. Tukaendelea na sarakasi ya kawaida. Abracadabra ya cabinet, badilisha huyu, then you end up here, so on and so forth. Story, and so on. You have once again misread the mood of the country.